When a person is in diet, is a cheat day allowed? Namaskara, I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Parimala Nutrition. This is a very common question when clients meet us because in their mind, they have this fixed notion that you have to stick to a very strict diet, you're not supposed to veer off, and according to their experience, they're able to do this for a week, stretch their willpower to maximum 2 weeks, and then it all goes down. How do you reach the balance between dieting and also not giving in to binge eating? Very simple. Through our years of experience with the clients at Parimala Nutrition, we have come up with 5 simple rules where you can continue on your diet and also indulge with whatever you want. Let's check out what the 5 rules are. Rule number 1, guilt-free. Please enjoy whatever snack or a meal you're having without feeling guilty. What is the entire purpose of cheating and eating something and berating yourself, feeling bad about it? That doesn't work. So, you should have a guilt-free snack day. So how do you ensure that your snack day doesn't go into an overdrive of eating? Very simple. Rule number 2. Please plan ahead. Plan ahead what is the snack or the meal that you really want to eat and you're going to cheat on. That way, you are not going to go into overdrive. So the third pointer is portion control. This is a very important, interesting pointer. For example, let's say you love cheesecake. Whether you eat an entire piece of cheesecake or you're going to have a slice of cheesecake, the satisfaction that hits your brain is the same. Portion control is a major rule to be followed during your cheat day. The fourth pointer, in 7 days, if you're going to cheat every single day and you're not going to keep a tab of it, then your entire weight loss journey goes for a toss. The smartness lies in, don't wait till you really want to eat everything and fill an entire day with cheat meals. You can smartly split it up into 2 times a week. And don't go for a cheat day. Instead, convert it into a cheat meal or a cheat snack. The fifth pointer, with all our well laid out plans. In case you're not able to follow, that's okay. We have our entire life ahead. Pick up, start from now and move on. Let it go. In case you're not being able to follow it, but tomorrow is a new day and your choices completely can transform the way you are. And in our 30-day challenge program, every Sunday, where we are all, the entire participants in the group are enjoying their cheat meal. They've shared their pics and I'm sharing those pics with you. They are transforming healthily at the same time, understanding the balance of enjoying life. Look at those pics. So very cool. Would you love to be a part of a 30-day program for women only? Starting from August 1st, our number 8867503660. Remember, dieting need not be boring. Let's have fun.